Hello and welcome to Magical Space. My name is Maya and I will be your host for today's episode. On this show, we interview experts on space. Today we will hear from Isabelle, who is an expert on Mars, Mannat, who is an expert on Jupiter, and Azlan, who is an expert on black holes. Now we will meet Isabelle. Hi Isabelle.
Hello.
Could you tell me a little bit about Mars?
Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun right after the Earth. It is a reddish-brown color and is covered with sand. It is similar to our deserts. Mars also has ice at the very north and south of the planet, just like our north and south poles. Finally, Mars is named after the Roman god of war.
Wow, that was very interesting. Are there signs of human life on Mars?
There are no signs of life on Mars. Mars may have had life a long time ago, but the planet now it is dry and there is no sign of life there at all. However, Mars looks like it does have water, so maybe we can explore it more and possibly even live there in the future. For now, only rocks and robots are on Mars.
I had no idea that one day we may live on Mars. What are some well-known missions to Mars that have happened?
There has been 18 missions to Mars, but I will only talk about 2 today. The first mission was in 1964, and it was called the Mariner 4. It was the first time when the spacecraft was able to get pictures of Mars with a television, camera, and telescope. Scientists found out that Mars could have some life because of the Mariner 4. The Viking 1 was also a well-known trip because it was the first spacecraft to land on Mars. The photos it took showed that Mars is a cold planet with volcano soil.
Thank you, Isabelle. I really learned a lot about Mars. Now, let's meet our second expert, Mannat. She will be telling us a little bit about Jupiter. Hello, Mannat.
Hello.
Could you tell me 5 facts about Jupiter? There are many fun facts about Jupiter. One known fact is that Jupiter is huge. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and is 318 times bigger than Earth. Jupiter is also the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Another fun fact is that it has 67 moons. Something else that's interesting about the planet is that it cannot become a star. This is because it does not have enough mass. Lastly, even though the clouds look so big from space, the clouds around Jupiter are only 50 kilometers thick. Are there chances of human life on Jupiter? There is no chance that humans could live on Jupiter because it is a gas giant. This means that the planet is not something that an astronaut can land on and explore. Humans can orbit the planet in a rocket ship and can even land on one of Jupiter's moons, but it's not possible to actually land or live on Jupiter. I had no clue that no one could ever land on Jupiter. Can you explain what the big red spot on Jupiter is? The Great Red Spot is a giant, strong storm that spins around Jupiter. It is usually located south of Jupiter's equator. In fact, the Great Red Spot is like when we have a hurricane on Earth. However, it is twice the size of our planet. It was first spotted in the 17th century by an astronomer, but it appears to have become much smaller over the years. A cool fact about the red spot is that the storm can reach to a speed of 430 kilometers per hour. Thank you, Mannat. That was very interesting. Now finally, let's meet our last expert of the day, Azlan, who's a black hole expert. Hello, Azlan.
Hi, Amaya.
What is a black hole?
A black hole is a space body does not reflect light. Black holes have a strong gravity which can pull things in like a vacuum. A black hole can be created by a death of a dying star. Some black holes can be so small you can see them, while others are as big as 1 million times the size of our sun.
What makes a black hole so dangerous?
The strong gravity. Black hole's gravity can be so strong that it sucks in all sorts of things in space. It can pull in small items such as little space rocks and large items like planets, and it can even suck in other black holes. Since the black hole's gravity is so strong, it makes it very hard for us to learn about them without putting our astronauts and spacecrafts in danger.
Oh wow, I'm so glad that we are so far from one in our galaxy. My last question for you is, can you tell me 2 fun facts about black holes?
One fact is that our galaxy, which is the Milky Way, probably has a black hole, but don't worry, it wouldn't hurt Earth. It's light years away from us. Another fun fact is that if you were to fall into a black hole, time would go by slower than if you were outside of it. You would feel like you were in a slow motion scene from a movie if you fell in.
Thank you, Azlan. I really learned a lot about black holes. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our show. Thank you to our guests, Isabelle, Mannat, and Azlan, for teaching us about Mars, Jupiter, and black holes. Thank you for watching Magic of Space. Tune in next week to learn all about sun. Again, I'm your host, Maya. Goodbye from all of us here at Magic of Space.